There are three key networks that deliver electricity in the United States. They are the Western, Eastern, and Texas grids. Together, they are comprised of more than 160,000 miles of transmission lines and 55,000 electric substations.
Perhaps one of the worst parts about it, though, is that you really only need to take out one of the grids to cause a national catastrophe.
Where the power is actually created at the power plant, there's a transformer that increases the voltage so it can actually travel a long distance. And then there's a transformer that steps down that voltage so it can actually be sent to your house.
An extra high voltage transformer, or what is called an EHV transformer, it's the foundation stone of our modern civilization. These EHV transformers are to our civilization what aqueducts and roads were to the Roman Empire. Our society can't operate without it.
But experts tell For the Record that EHV transformers are the most unprotected critical infrastructure assets in the nation.
They are one of the most technologically difficult things to manufacture in the modern world. Every EHV transformer plays a unique role in the grid. It's custom made for the grid, and the windings actually have to be done by hand. They're hand built. And while we exported the technology for the electric grid to the world, like so many things, like the airplane, like the automobile, we used to build them and we exported these things to the world, but now we have to import them from overseas. And there's only 2 countries in the world that build them for export purposes, South Korea and Germany. And it takes 18 months, a year and a half, just to build one. And so that's why, someone armed with a sniper rifle, attacking the transformers at San Jose, that if they were to use, simple technologies to destroy these transformers, it could strike at the heart of our civilization.
In response to security risks exposed by the San Jose attack, FERC conducted a classified study in 2013. According to the Wall Street Journal, that study revealed alarming results.
And they didn't want the report publicized because our vulnerability is so great, where they concluded that an attack on just 9 out of 55,000 substations, that if you knew which 9 substations to attack, you could basically plunge the whole United States into a blackout that would last 18 months.